Hi, boys and girls. It's time to talk about numbers again. And remember, we're learning about numbers to help us with something called math. And you'll be learning more about math as you grow older and older. And there are two big things that we want to work with during preschool this year. We want to be able to tell what every number is when we see it, and then we want to be able to count. And I know some of you can do a lot of that already, and that's great, but we'll keep reviewing and we'll get even better with our numbers as we go along. So I thought I'd start out today by letting you guess what number I have in this envelope, okay? So I actually have three numbers in here. What number is this? That's right, this is the 0. And we talked about the 0 during the first 2 weeks of school. And we said 0 means that we don't have anything. So if we have 0 pieces of candy, we don't have any candy. But 0 does an important job, which we'll learn more about as we get older. All right, can you tell me what number this is going to be? What number is this going to be? Oh my goodness, you're right. That's the number 1. And 0 and 1 are the numbers that we looked at the first 2 weeks of school. And this is week 3, and we're looking at this special number. Can you tell me what it is? Oh, you're right. That is a 2. Very good. So 0, 1, and 2. And we started to learn how to write our numbers just in the air. We don't need a pen or a pencil or crayon. We don't need paper or a board or anything. We just need to be able to use our pointer finger and write in the air. So to make a 0, we start at the top, and then we go around and meet it again at the top. Let's do that again. Start at the top, go around, and meet it again. And we have a little poem that helps us remember how to do a 0. Start at the top, around you go. That's the way to make a 0. Let's do it again. Start at the top, around you go. That's the way to make a 0. One more time. Start at the top, around you go. That's the way to make a 0. And then we have the number 1. And 1's easy. It's just starting at the top and a straight line down. So you just say, let's just do that part again, I guess. Start at the top and go down. And that's a 1. Now we'll do the poem. Straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Let's do that again. Straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Let's do it one more time. Straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Now, a 2 is trickier because it has curves and lines and so I'm going to use this first to talk us through it, and then I'll do it in the air. And then I'm going to do all 3 numbers on my whiteboard. So the first thing we have to do is start at the top, which is right here, and we make a hook, kind of like a candy cane. All right, come down here. So you make a candy cane. All right, and then you make a line. So make a candy cane and make a line, and you don't take your pen or pencil or your finger off of it. Just keep going. So make a hook, then give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. You could say that with me. Make a hook, give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. One more time. Make a hook, give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Now I'm going to put it on my whiteboard. And I'm going to start with the 0. And we start at the top. Around you go. That's the way to make a 0. And what shape does the 0 remind you of? That's right, a circle. All right, let's do our 1. Straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. All right, let's do our 2. Make a hook, give it a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. Do you see the hook? And then the shoe is just a straight line. Very good. All right, something else that we do in math with numbers and many things is sorting. So we're going to do that next. And right here, I have all kinds of 1s and 2s and 0s. And we're going to sort them. And the 0s are going to go on the top line. The 1s the middle line and the 2's the bottom line, okay? So you're going to help me by telling me what the number is, and also you're going to tell me which line it goes on, okay? So what number is this? That's right, it's a 0. Does that go top, middle, or bottom? Let me hear you. Top is right. Okay. Then, okay. What letter is this? That's right, this is a 2, isn't it? So does that go top, middle, or bottom? Very good. It goes on the bottom. All right. Oh my goodness, now what do I have? Oh, what number is this? That's right, it's a 1. Where does it go? Top, middle, or bottom? Yes, in the middle. Okay, good job. All right, what do I have next? Oh, what is this? That's right, it's a 0. Does it go top, middle, or bottom? You're right, up at the top. Goodness. All right, what number do I have now? That's right, it's a 1. Does it go in the top, the middle, or the bottom? Yes, it goes in the middle, doesn't it? All right, then what do I have next? Oh my goodness, let's see what I've got. What is this? That's right, it's a 2. And where does it go? Top, middle, or bottom? You're right, it goes over here at the bottom. All right. What number is this? Very good. That's a 0. Where does it go? Huh. I almost showed you, didn't I? Top, middle, bottom? That's right, it goes on the top. Okay, what number is this? That's right, it's a 2. And where does it go? You're right, it goes here on the bottom. All right, what number is this? Good, that's a 1. Where does it go? Top, middle, or bottom? That's right, it goes in the middle. And I've got one more. What's this? Good, this is a 1. Does it go on the top, the middle, or the bottom? You're right, it goes in the middle. Now we're going to count to see if one of these numbers has more than the others. Let's count our zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Okay, ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Okay, twos. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 twos. So which number do we have the most of? That's right, we have more ones than we do zeros and twos, don't we? There are only 4 zeros, 4 twos, but there are 5 ones. So 0 and 2 have the same number, right? 4. Very good. See, that's more math. More kinds of fun things we can do with math. Okay, next I'm going to show you a PowerPoint, and it has all these numbers, 0, 1, and 2. And one number is going to come up at a time, and you're going to yell for me what number you see. Now let me get this set up. All right. There we go. Okay, everybody, what number is this? That's right, that's a 0. What number is this? Good job, that's our 2. Well, in the middle, what number is this? Yes, that's a 1. Okay, what number is this? It's another 0. What number is this? Good job, it's our 2. What number is this? That's right, that's a 1. What number is this? It's our big red 0, isn't it? Oh, what number is this? That's right, it's 2. And what is this 2 made of? Balloons. Yay. What number is this? Look right in the middle. Yes, that's a 1. What number is this? It's another 1, isn't it? Oh, how about this number? It's our 0. And what is this? It's our very colorful 2, isn't it? And that was the last of our slides. Okay, we have one more thing we want to do, a little game. All right, we're using our fingers, and we're going to put both of our hands with our fingers behind us and kind of wiggle our fingers. And then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, show. And you can show me one of 3 numbers. You can either do 0, we're just going to do a fist for 0, 1, or 2. Let's do that again. 0, 1, 2. One more time. 0, 1, 2. And what you're trying to do is to match me. If you match me, you get a point. If you don't match me, you don't get a point. But don't worry, we're just having fun. Okay? All right. Wiggle your fingers just to get them exercise. All right. 1, 2, 3, show. Okay, show a number. 1 or 0, 1 or 2. Okay, now, what number did I show? 2. Did you match me? If you did, you get a point. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, wiggle your fingers. 1, 2, 3, show. All right, show me a number. All right, do you match me? What number do I have? A 0. If you match me, you get another point. All right, wiggle your fingers. All right, 1, 2, 3, show. Okay, show a number. What number do I have now? A 1. Do you have a 1? Do you match me? If you do, you get a point. Let's do it again. All right, 1, 2, 3, show. Show a number. What number do I have? I have a 1, don't I? Did you match me? If you did, you get a point. All right. Well, wiggle your fingers. 1, 2, 3, show. Did you match me? What do I have? That's right, I have a 0. If you did, you get a point. All right, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, show. Oh, what do I have? A 2. If you match me, you get a point. Let's do it one more time. Wiggle your fingers. 1, 2, 3, show. Oh, did you match me? What number do I have? I have a 2. Very good. All right, boys and girls, thanks for helping me review 0, 1, and 2. And I'll put the Jack Hartman song about the number 2 out there so you can look at it later on. Thanks again, boys and girls. We'll see you later.